guys, our time has finally come. Why? XRP is the Grim Reaper himself. This isn't a joke because XRP is right now. Hello everyone, hope you guys are around. Hello everyone, hope you guys are having amazing. XRP is around $2.73. I need them to immediately pump XRP to $100 by tomorrow, right? Because wow, past 7 days. Okay, this is not a drill. XRP is literally acting like a meme coin. What's happening, right? Well, something definitely is. In today's video, if you thought we have seen anything, we literally haven't, guys. And the reason why is because I truly believe, I wholeheartedly believe in the riddlers, and they are suggesting prices that we can't even fathom. Okay, so pay attention. Now guys, we're from part of XRP in the XRP community. Now this is quite interesting. Wait a minute, what? From David Schwartz. I just officially hit 12 years at Ripple, just as XRP moves into the number 3 position by market cap. Coincidence? So he hit 12 years at Ripple, guys, and XRP moves into the number 3 position. Why is that strange? 1 plus 2 is 3. Right, 3. That's literally numerology. And you say they don't believe in it? Nothing is ever a coincidence, guys. So, again, the riddlers are activated at full blast. Okay, so check this out. Mr. Pool tweets out, I need them to immediately pump it, guys. At least minimum to $10 by tomorrow. At last. At last. Finally, huh? Finally. I mean, if they didn't pump it, guys, we would have definitely been in shambles right now. But now I understand. I understand completely on why we have riddles. I understand it fully. Becoming rich is quite simple, guys. It's quite easy, right? What's more difficult is finding the ultimate treasure, right? And that's why they are here for, guys, or one of the main reason, I believe, right? Now, Big Short responded to Mr. Pool's tweet. There will be signs, indeed, he says, or replies, right? There will be signs of moon, right? Moon. Oh wow. Oh, wait a moment. This is a different angle, guys, right? Of the same picture. Interesting. And it's gray, right? It's black and white. What do we see? A rocket ship heading to where? Interesting. The same picture, guys, right? The same picture as a bear. If you look at the trajectory, guys, right? The goal, moon, is there after the treasure, the main treasure. If you look at this picture, is that not the moon? Right? But the rocket ship is heading somewhere else. Interesting, right? Price is rising, obviously a metaphor for price rising, but where is it heading to? Probably right here. Howard Moon reposted this right here, guys. A gift for you, right? Ties into Christmas once again. Very beautiful indeed. When we talk about Christmas, well, the United States President Joe Biden and the First Lady Jill Biden's 2024 White House Christmas decorations right here. Okay, and what we can see is a carousel, right? Which tied to B223 and the number 589, right? 589. Wow. Exactly 4 years ago today, guys, one standing, right? One last man standing. It's XRP, right? The king himself, guys. Exactly 4 years ago today. You cannot make that stuff up, can you? Right? So things are already planned ahead of time, guys. And it seems like Baba Kugs has been searching for cars, right? Luxury type cars, guys, sport cars and stuff. I need them to pump it immediately, I guess, harder, right? They have been, but they basically need to flip the switch. And now there are multiple understandings that I've had, guys, or realizations. Number one, there's a deeper meaning to riddles, most definitely. But number two is I thought to myself, wait, XRP, there has been a lot of new people FOMOing into XRP. At some point in time, XRP will get them out. How? Probably during the recession. Most likely. When it dumps, right? When it dumps and then they all get out. But after that point in time, before the collapse even, or before the new financial system even comes alive, guys, well, there is a flip of the switch moment. What I know right now is Tony Valentino stated don't sell XRP at $2, right? I'm not. At least for my HODL bag, right? Literally holding until, as I stated, 2026 or to infinity, right? So we do have some targets here. Mr. Poole once upon a time stated $10. Okay, so an easy price target, I believe, right? An easy one. $10 isn't too crazy, right? Especially now. Another tweet. $50. $50. So we got $10, then $50. Okay, these tweets were from Mr. Poole. Oh, and remember, $33 as well, right? He did post a couple of times before. C. Another one is, you all thought 589 per XRP was a lot. You might want to sit down. So $589 plus another target. But you may be wondering, wait a minute, extra VOD. How are we going to go to 589 plus? It doesn't make sense. It does. It's so simple. The theory stands clear. You ready? It is coming. Supply shock pushing XRP to new heights. Cryptomaniac even came alive because he says, I'll be remiss if I don't remind you of the Shane Ellis theory. XRP to $500, right? But again, it could go to prices thousands of dollars. The reason being is because it's so simple. Why? Because of supply shock, little liquidity. I've recently posted below, and as you have also touched on this subject, then I would like to consider these facts before saying that XRP will take extreme amounts of money to reach $589. Please take particular note of the section where I show on the Bittrex exchange that transacting small amounts of money can push up the price dramatically. Please do not be fooled into thinking that it will take billions of dollars to force the price of XRP to the extremes. It will not. So simple. But people do not realize this. This is why they could pump XRP to $100 tomorrow if they wish to. So please do, right? Let all our dreams come true. I wanted to say thank you for, and by the way, guys, there are taxes, right? So they may as well pump it to 200 at that point. Well, 300 is pretty much there, so may as well pump it to 300. Well, wait a moment. If we want the prophecy to fulfill, may as well pump it to 589, right? Because it's only like what, $289 away from 300, guys, right? So they may as well start pumping. The damn price is high, guys, right? Because there are taxes and all types of stuff. So let's get it moving. I wanted to say thank you for making a video that does not okay, so let's go down here, guys, and the reason why he says this is because we have to look at the exchange's order books, okay? And the order books are basically where people have sell orders, and it gets triggered if XRP's price or any asset price reaches that price point. And this was so many years ago, guys. But XRP, if you look at the order books from different exchanges, there are none. Right? There are none. Before, this was so many years ago. XRP needed millions of dollars to push it to double and triple digits. But since there is more liquidity on exchanges now, let's multiply this by $10. Okay, $10. Or even 100, right? $100. I mean, if we multiply this number by 100, guys, because let's just say there's 100 more times liquidity from whenever this was posted to now, that would be $3.7 billion injected into liquidity. Would push it to $100, right? All in one go. You think that's possible? You think these people don't have that much money? Come on. Right. So this is where the theory comes in, guys, that there isn't much liquidity, right? So they could just push the damn price to barriers never seen before, never thought possible. Right? It's super simple, guys, super easy. Because who the hell is selling? Holders are just holding. Traders are just trading. Don't we see? It's so simple. This isn't financial advice. At the end of the day, I'm holding till I die. Because X marks the spot. Is the stage set? 11/30/2024. Big Short says. Binance replied or tweeted out today. The stage seems set, doesn't it? Right? Enjoy the show, guys. Grab your popcorn and look at the charts of XRP. Most definitely. Right? Most definitely. So good things are already happening, guys. Mr. Pool did warn us to grab our popcorn and enjoy the ride. Well, here's fantastic news. 10 million RLUC minted at RLUC Treasury, and we got another 40 million right here. All that will be liquidity injected into XRP. Latest, New York regulators may approve Ripple's RLUC stablecoin by December 4. Right, December 4th comes into play soon. Then we have Wisdom Tree Funds officially files an S1 with the SEC for an XRP spot ETF. Wisdom Tree joins Bitwise 21 shares and Canary Funds in applying for a foreign fund that tracks the daily price of XRP. It's go time. Told you guys. People didn't listen because this isn't financial advice. Thank the Lord. Banks adopting XRP will make price rise. Documented. Ripple does not supplant conventional payment channels such as SWIFT, but rather connects them. Although Ripple system has its own XRP cryptocurrency, transactions can be executed in any currency. Ripple, on the contrary, actively integrates into the banking industry. Thus, the total amount of the XRP currency will gradually decrease, and its price will rise. Right? I mean, guys, there are literally what's it called? Banks that print so much money, right? All what needs to happen at this point in time is a bank needs to just buy XRP off of the open market, right, and smash the order books. Just one bank, and that will make XRP's price go to $50, if not hundreds. Literally, just one bank. Ripple has prepared for a significant price rise of XRP, right? Why? If the price of XRP were to appreciate significantly, there is a mechanism in place to lower or raise transaction fees by a supermajority vote of server operators. Digital currencies, gold, and even items like loyalty points, airline miles, or securities, a bridge currency for liquidity, right? Oh, XRP's price. XRP only works if XRP is at a high price. That's it. It can't be dirt cheap, guys. Look at all these catalysts on the horizon. You guys ready? We haven't seen anything yet. After Gensler, all boats rise from Brad Garlinghouse. We expect Gensler will be fired before year end, and the legal cases he has wasted tens of millions of taxpayer money pursuing, and which the industry has spent more than $400 million defending, will be aborted. A potential new SEC chairman by April, May 2025, definitely earlier. Right? When the Titanic sinks, little floats near it get dragged down too, but the floats will eventually come back up if they are untethered. All boats will what? Rise. Now, what's fascinating is talking about January, right, when this all comes into play. The fountain for today's video. These messages Cooks passed along from the DM seem relevant for December and January. Okay? December, January, things are moving quicker than expected. Elder owls wait for the prey. The stage is set. Oh, look at that. The tracks are laid, right? So hold your coins tight that none slip away, guys. That's simple. Let's see what happens next. At the end of the day, it's just simple. Hibernate, become a bear, and you'll get filthy rich, it seems as. Not financial advice. But it is that Sophie's Mazes. See ya.